Okay, 10th graders, I know this video is late, but it's better late than never. So here we go, the final three. First, prepositions. Some troublesome prepositions. The word between is used for 2 items, while among is usually used for 3 or more. Examples: just between you and me, I am confused. The trio split the verses of the song among the 3 of them. Next slide, please. The word into shows direction. The word in shows location. She walked into the room. She walked from one place into another. But he was in my thoughts. Next slide, please. The word besides means one of 2 things. It either means in addition to or except for. The word beside means next to. Examples of these: everyone finished besides me. Everyone except me. You need a cover sheet besides your pencil, in addition to your pencil. And stand beside me, please, next to me. Next slide, please. Coordinating conjunctions join items of equal weight: and, but, or, nor, for, yet, and so. You and I are friends. And joins the 2 subjects, you and I. Hit the ball, comma, and run the bases. Here we have 2 complete ideas. They are both imperative sentences, so the subject is understood you with both. But still 2 complete ideas joined by a comma and the word and. And do note that coordinating conjunctions, just like correlative conjunctions that we're going to go over on the next slide, can join any 2 objects of equal weight, whether they be subjects, verbs, direct objects, predicate nouns, dependent clauses, infinitive phrases, you name it. 2 items of equal weight in English can be joined and should be joined by one of the above 7 coordinating conjunctions. Next slide, please. Correlative conjunctions also join items of equal weight, but the difference is that correlative conjunctions always appear in pairs. They are used in place of some of the coordinating conjunctions in order to emphasize something. You have the pair conjunctions to emphasize. Here are the choices for correlative conjunctions. There are only 4 pairs: both and, either or, not only but also, and neither nor. Here's a sentence example: neither she nor I finished on time. Last slide, please. Subordinating conjunctions join dependent clauses to independent ones. Because he had studied hard, he made an A. Because is our subordinating conjunction there. There are several others on page 21 in your files. And finally, interjections. Not a whole lot we need to say about these. Interjections show sudden or strong feeling. They can be punctuated by themselves, as this first one is: hurry, exclamation point, the water is rising. Or they may be punctuated, usually if they're punctuated with the sentence, they're separated by a comma rather than an exclamation point. No comma. You don't really think so? Question mark. All right. Hope this was helpful. Sorry again it's late. Doing the best we can here. Have a great weekend. Hope to see you on Monday.